Hello, this is the Group 5 presentation for BMBA 470 about multi-factor authentication solutions aiming to improve customer experience. Today, we exist in a digital world and interact with others through it. The experiences we have in this digital world affect us physically. It is just one reason why there are so much investment and concern about this interaction. Companies understand that better experiences at every step in their platforms provide greater chances of keeping users online and engaged with the service. The more users related to technology, the greater their concern about feeling safe and having their data protected. This project tackles this scenario and gives some insight into a multi-factor technology. In our hypothetical case, the company is a major telecom having issues with login authentication. Focusing on customers' experience, the IT and customer care management decided to upgrade the authentication to multi-factor authentication technology. A growing number of customers complaining over the login authentication is one of the reasons, along with the limitation of data available to the IT security team, as well as the launch of a new stream service programmed to be released in the coming month, which increases the necessity for a technological solution in time. IoT, or the Internet of Things, is all devices, physical and virtual, connected by the Internet in a giant network. In any event, at every interaction, people, devices, artificial intelligence collects and shares data about users' behaviors in the environment around. The goal is to keep users connected and engaged on the web. Authentications are the technology responsible to safeguard these connections, protecting users from having their data exposed and mitigating leaks. Under the scenario presented, the objective is to allow customers to log in their profile area in a secure environment by implementing innovative and multiple options for authentication connected to one safe framework. The multi-factor application in our project will be hosted in a cloud-based solution that connects all cloud-based systems alongside with SaaS service, easing the outline integrations for numerous cloud applications and streaming customers onboarding. API, or Application Programming Interface, enables exchange applications data and functionality to external third-party developers, allowing services to communicate and leverage each other's data through a documented interface. The cloud and the API architecture is crucial since the cloud-native application development relies on connecting a microservices application architecture through API to share data with external users, such as customers. The multi-factor authentication provides a unique identity to users using several associated authentication methods to improve security. Features such as temporary codes, verifying mobile app, correcting processing multimodal biometric authentications using biometric and face recognitions, and SMS verification code are some of the factors available to ensure users' information are safe while connected. Customers have been impacted by the problematic login authentication, so they are the first stakeholders to be considered in this project. The customer success team is responsible to help customers to see the full value of the service, so a new tool will contribute to the customer's care. Customer support assists customers individually with technical issues, so MFA will decrease the number of open tickets. The multi-factor solution will allow the IT security team to review the layers of the security and work in an improved scenario regarding data access and assessment of errors and threats. The finance manager will be in charge to prospect investment scenarios, and the IT project manager will be responsible for managing the MFA project entirely. Shareholders care about revenue predictability, so the improvement in customers' experiences reassures the business future. In a project, quality is affected by general limitations such as technology, costs, and time. If one of them is affected, the others must be balanced. The technology must be compatible with operational systems and provide several factors to authenticate the login in a safe environment. The budget must inform costs with precision and transparency, being continuously reviewed and updated so changes can be estimated while addressing issues. Project deliverables must be identified and documented accordingly with the activities planned and a schedule certifying that current progress remains on track. In the endeavor to change technology in an entire company sector, it is assumed that the system will be capable to run on multiple devices connected in a safe environment and secured by multiple factor authentication tools, clear of errors 99.99% of the time. To implement the multi-factor authentication solution with the best project management practices, the project was divided based on the group who will work on that task. In our case, we have design plan, hiring third-party solution, API and implementation design, testing, deployment, and training. The design plan is the project's beginning, where it is defined the requirements and the team to work with it. All other activities require those definitions. The IT security team will have a dedicated team to hire the third-party solution. It will evaluate suppliers' proposals based on the requirements as cloud-based, API implementation, and available MFA resources, and choose the best supplier solution based on cost-benefit. It is a crucial topic of the project because it will define the tools for the development team. The development team will work on API and implementation design to develop the API code to interface the company system with the third-party solution and change the necessary in their existing architecture. To ensure the quality, the test development team will design automated tests and debug procedures before the solution goes into operation. Deployment is also an important role to deliver everything to operate, and the best strategy shall be planned to avoid impact on the customers. In parallel with the deployment, the help desk team shall be trained to ensure the best customer service on the new MFA solution. The project cost will involve internal resources considering around 10,000 work hours, and also the third-party solution hiring, which includes support during project implementation phases, training, and recurring signature. The resources are to be organized by the interdependency between the teams according to their specialization on the tasks following the schedule from initiation to closeout, along with the staff training. Project communication will be developed in a network identifying senders, receivers, date, to whom the message is addressed, and to who passes the information on following the communication process. For example, the first message about the status of a project will be sent by the IT security team and the finance manager to the shareholders, asking for their approval of the project. The message is transmitted through meetings, emails, and calls. Risk analysis is an important part of the project planning process. Having a clear idea of the risks expected from the project can help prevent them or be prepared with a corrective action plan. The risk analysis includes the cause, the event, the effect, the probability of its occurrence, and the degree of impact on the project, an action plan, and the person in charge. In general, the effect of these risks on the project affects the component of achieving the objectives related to scope, budget, delivery time, and quality. In conclusion, the multi-factor authentication solution aims to restructure login authentication and data protection. The investment in this technology will establish how customers and other stakeholders see the company's commitment over data security and customer experience. Such investment is justified based on technology updating and to meet compliance and regulations. Again, we appreciate your attention to our project presentation and are keen to hear any questions or suggestions. Thank you very much.